Hello friends, now I'm going to tell you how to travel from Doha to India and from back from India to Doha. I will start first from Doha to India. First, you need to take a COVID-19 test within 72 hours from the departure of your flight. Once you get the Corona negative certificate, you need to upload this certificate on Air Suvidha portal, which is a site of New Delhi Airport, and you need to fill the form there, and with the required detail, your passport numbers, your stay location in India, if you are taking any connecting flight, then flight detail, etc., and you need to upload the your corona negative report there. Once you will submit that form, you will receive acknowledgement slip on your registered mail id, the mail id you will mention in the form. You need to take 4 prints of that form. uh, Now you need to reach the airport. Once you will reach airport, you need to show your passport, your ticket, along with the corona negative report. After verifying all the documents, the airline counter will issue a boarding pass, and after that you need to follow the normal process, and then you need to board the airline. Once you will reach in India, a thermal screening will be done at the airport. Once you will move from the first counter, which is thermal screening, you will reach on the next counter. You need to submit amount of 1250 rupees for corona test. This is compulsory for all the travelers coming from UK, Brazil, South Africa, and Middle East. Once you will submit the money, you will undergo for corona test. The thing which is relaxed for a Middle East traveler is once your corona test is done, they will allow you to take the connecting flight. So once your corona test is done, they will give mark a stamp on your form, and once you will submit your all forms, then you will reach on immigration counter. You show your passport, do the normal process, and take the connecting flight. You will be advised to remain home quarantine for 7 days. After reaching home, within 24 hours, you will receive your corona test report, either positive or negative, via your email ID, and also you will receive on WhatsApp. If the report is positive, then state government will chase you according to the details mentioned in your forms. Now coming back to Doha from India, the only thing which is required is COVID-19 certificate, your exceptional entry permit, which can be downloaded from MOI site, or once you will exit from Doha, you will get it automatically on your registered mail ID. So once you will reach to collect your international boarding pass, international flight boarding pass, they will check your address. It should have a vaccinated stamp. They will check your exceptional entry permit, and they will check your COVID certificate. They also asked to show the COVID along with apart from certificate. They also asked me to show the COVID vaccination card. So after checking all the documents, they issued me a boarding pass. Then I boarded normally in the flight. Once I reached in Qatar, there was a separate queue for the person who are already vaccinated, and others who were not vaccinated were going under thermal scanning, and then they will be sent to hotel. But for the person who are already vaccinated, once you will reach on the immigration floor, there is a separate counter. You will go there and you will fill a small form. Then they will give you the packet for the COVID test, and there is a collection center at the airport. You need to go to reception of the testing center. They will check your form, and then they will collect your sample. Once the sample is collected, they will put a stamp on the form which you have filled at the airport, as well as on your exceptional entry permit. So after this, you will collect those all forms, and you will reach on the immigration counter. You need to show those stamp that you are already tested, your sample is already collected. Then there will be normal process of immigration. Once you will clear the immigration, you will reach to collect your luggage. And there is a separate exit for those who are already vaccinated. So once you will reach on that counter, they will check your forms which is having a stamp for already vaccinated, as well as they will ask you to show the Athraz app. Once they will verify from Athraz that the person is already vaccinated, they will again put a stamp of cross-checking of Aetras on your form, and they will allow you to exit. This is the normal process for entry to Doha. Please tell me how you like my video in the comment section. If you want to know anything more, you can ask me on the comment section. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.